Today we are going to discuss the Cambridge reading passage, Saving the Soil. First 14 to 17 questions are to complete the summary by using only one word from the passage. This summary is about why soil degradation could be a disaster for humans. First question is, healthy soil contains a large variety of bacteria and other microorganisms, as well as plant remains and something. स्वस्थ मिट्टी में बैक्टीरिया और अन्य सूक्ष्म जीवों की बड़ी विविधता होती है, साथ ही पौधों के अवशेष और कुछ अन्य तत्व भी होते हैं. Let's see in the paragraph. A single gram of healthy soil might contain 100 million bacteria, as well as other microorganisms such as viruses and fungi, living amid decomposing plants and various minerals. So its answer is minerals. Next question is, it provides us with food and also with antibiotics. And its function in storing something has a significant effect on the climate. ये हमें भोजन और एंटीबायोटिक्स प्रदान करती हैं, और किसी चीज़ को संग्रहित करने का इसका कार्य जलवायु पर महत्वपूर्ण प्रभाव डालता है. Let's see in the paragraph. Soil is also an ally against climate change, as microorganisms within soil digest dead animals and plants. They lock in their carbon content, holding 3 times the amount of carbon as does the entire atmosphere. So its answer is carbon. Next question is, in addition, it prevents damage to property and infrastructure because it holds something. इसके अलावा, ये किसी चीज को थामे रखने के कारण संपत्ति और बुनियादी ढांचे को होने वाले नुकसान से बचाता है. Let's see in the paragraph. Soil also store water, preventing flood damage, so its answer is water. Next question is, if these microorganisms are lost, soil may lose its special properties. The main factor contributing to soil degradation is the something carried out by humans. यदि ये सूक्ष्मजीव नष्ट हो जाते हैं, तो मिट्टी अपनी विशेष गुणों को खो सकती है. मिट्टी के क्षरण में योगदान देने वाला मुख्य कारण मनुष्यों द्वारा किया जाने वाला कोई कार्य है. Let's see in the paragraph. Agriculture is by far the biggest problem, so its answer is agriculture. Next 18 to 21 questions are to complete the sentences with correct ending. First question is, nutrients contained in the unused parts of harvested crops. कटाई की गई फसलों के अनुपयोगी हिस्सों में जो nutrients होते हैं. Let's see in the paragraph. Humans tend not to return unused parts of harvested crops directly to the soil to enrich it, meaning that the soil gradually becomes less fertile. So its answer is, may not be put back into the soil. Next question is, synthetic fertilizer produced with the Haber-Bosch process. Haber-Bosch process से synthetic fertilizer को produce करना. Let's see in the paragraph. A solution came in the early 20th century with the Haber-Bosch process for manufacturing ammonium nitrate. Farmers have been putting this synthetic fertilizer on their fields ever since. But over the past few decades, it has become clear this was not such a bright idea. Chemical fertilizer can release polluting nitrous oxide into the atmosphere and excess is often washed away with the rain, releasing nitrogen into rivers. So its answer is, may cause damage to different aspects of the environment. Next question is, addition of a mixture developed by Pius Floris to the soil. Pius Floris द्वारा विकसित मिश्रण को मिट्टी में मिलाना. Let's see in the paragraph. When they applied Floris's mix to the desert-like test plots, a good crop of plants emerged that were not just healthy at the surface, but had roots strong enough to pierce dirt as hard as rock. So its answer is, may improve the number and quality of plants growing there. Next question is, the idea of zero net soil degradation. Zero शुद्ध मिट्टी क्षरण का idea. Let's see in the paragraph. Chasek and her colleagues have proposed a goal of zero net land degradation. Like the idea of carbon neutrality, it is an easily understood target that can help shape expectations and encourage action. So its answer is, may help government to be more aware of soil-related issues. Next 22 to 26 questions are to find out the paragraph from which the given statements have been taken. So first question is, a reference to one person's motivation for a soil improvement project. किसी व्यक्ति की soil improvement परियोजना के पीछे की प्रेरणा का उल्लेख. So soil improvement की बात paragraph A में हुई थी जब हमने question number 20 का आंसर लिखा था. Let's see in the paragraph. One of the people looking for a solution to this problem is Pius Floris, who started out running a tree care business in the Netherlands. and now advises some of the world's top soil scientists. So its answer is paragraph E. Next statement is an explanation of how soil stayed healthy before the development of farming. फार्मिंग के आने से पहले सॉइल किस तरह से हेल्दी होती थी? फार्मिंग की बात पैराग्राफ सी में हुई थी जब हमने क्वेश्चन 17 का आंसर लिखा था. Let's see in the paragraph. The danger is not that the soil will disappear completely, but that the microorganisms that give it its special properties will be lost. So its answer is paragraph C. Next question is examples of different ways of collecting information on soil degradation. Soil degradation की information को collect करने के different ways के examples. Let's see in the paragraph. Researchers from 9 countries are working together to create a map linked to a database that can be fed measurements from field surveys, drone surveys, satellite imagery, lab analysis, and so on to provide real-time data on the state of the soil. So its answer is paragraph F. Next question is a suggestion for a way of keeping some types of soil safe in the near future. निकट भविष्य में कुछ प्रकार की मिट्टी को सुरक्षित रखने के एक तरीके का सुझाव. इसकी बात हमने पैराग्राफ जी में की थी जब क्वेश्चन 21 का आंसर लिखा था जीरो नेट लैंड डिग्रेडेशन के बारे में. सो इट्स आंसर इज पैराग्राफ जी. Next question is a reason why it is difficult to provide an overview of soil degradation. Soil degradation का संक्षिप्त अवलोकन प्रस्तुत करना कठिन होने का एक कारण. Let's see in the paragraph. However, measures like this are not enough to solve the global soil degradation problem. To assess our options on a global scale, we first need an accurate picture of what types of soil are out there and the problems they face. So its answer is paragraph F. I hope this video is beneficial to you. If yes, then please like, share and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.